olive oil, garlic paste, some cardamom, some masala, pepper, salt, turmeric powder and chili powder, curd, basin, little chicken and some chopped vegetables and the oil. Let's add it. And garlic paste. This much of powdered cardamom, this much of masala, and one spoon of pepper. So I'm adding 1 spoon of turmeric powder and 2 spoons of chili. And 2 spoons of chili. Go. And mix it well. Okay, now we're gonna add some curd. Put all the room. Now we're gonna add some basin. Now we're going to put our chopped vegetables. And we're putting this much of salt. Okay, now we're going to add the chicken. Now we're going to put it in the skewers. Stick my skewers. So first we're going to put the capsicum and the onion in. Onion first because or else the chicken will slide down. The last one. This is how it looks. Now I'm going to add the butter in. Now we're going to add the chicken in. And you guys can hear the sound. It's good. Now you're gonna wait 4 or 5 minutes. Get to let this get cooked. Okay? Now after that we're going to roll it. So just like the fingers as my mother said. Now I'm going to fry it in the plate. Off it. When it gets a little hot, you have to wait for some time or you take another step. Hot, so I'm gonna have it after some time. If I can cook, you can cook.